good afternoon, good morning, good evening, creative friends and content creators and my subscribers. Welcome to another exciting episode. As part of our Photoshop quick tips and tricks, we are going to look at how to design or how to do this picture manipulation effect in Photoshop. Yes, dropping effect, picture or photo manipulation in Photoshop. This is part of our Photoshop quick tips and tricks. So this is the first one I did, and then the second one is this. So let me hide this so you get it. Yeah, this is the second one. I'm going to show you the trick in which I used to create the first one, the same trick we use to create every dropping effect in Photoshop. So I'm going to give link to all the files I used for you to download and practice for free. So without wasting much time, Control N to open a new document, and then let's see. So you import the picture into Photoshop and then hold it and then drag it to this side, and then you lace it like that. Good. Let's hide the first one too. Better still. Okay, this is perfect. This is perfect. This is perfect. So you go to W on the keyboard, and then you pick the W, that is magic 1 2 selected, and then go to select subject. Good. So you wait for the subject to be selected, guys. Wait for subject to be selected. Good. So you see the subject is being selected outside the background. You select only the image while they leave the background like that. So you come and add layer mask to the image like this. Good. And realize that the background of the image has been removed. Good. So let's hold Ctrl T and then reduce the size of the image. Let's reduce the size of the image a bit. Good. This is perfect. Then the next thing, we are going to import the next dropping effect into Photoshop and then adjust it on the image. Guys, you adjust it on the image, adjust it and place it on the image like this. And I think this is perfect. 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 So the same W on the keyboard and hit the white area like that. Good. And then add layer mask again. After adding layer mask, then you go to this thumbnail, right click, and then select this side, and then click on I, Control I to invert. Sorry. Control I to invert the image like this. Good. And then come to the full image inside the thumbnail of the image like this, and pick the brush tool on the keyboard. Now go and change the brush to hard round brush. Yes, hard round brush. If you are not seeing it, go to the general and you see the first one is soft round brush and the second one is hard round brush. So pick the hard round brush and then clear this side. Clear the area selected. Clear or mask the area selected nicely like this. Yes, mask it beautiful like this, and then Control D to deselect it, and then you have something beautiful like this. So after that, you can put them in group. Control T, and then increase the size of the whole thing. Good, 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 good. So this is how we create something nice like this. The same trick that I used to create the first one. So if you are wondering how I went about the first one or the second one or the third one, it's the same trick. So but guys, this is how to create a picture dropping photo effects or picture manipulation in Photoshop as part of our